Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. So today we're gonna talk a little bit about my 5 months here in Cyprus and how it's been for me living here now. About 5 months. It's coming to an end, sadly actually, because I really don't want to leave this place. But if you haven't been here before, my name is Kevin and I do a lot of travel, tourism and also some tech reviews sometimes here on this channel. So if you wanna check out more of those stuff, just hit the subscribe button down there and let's roll with this video actually. So as I said, we're gonna talk a little bit about how it's been here and a lot of other stuff that's been going on, and there's so much things I couldn't even cover it in a like 10-minute video. It's gonna be over 1 hour, so I'm just gonna try to keep it very simple for you guys, not to tell all the good stories in one video. It's gonna come over time. So how has it been here in Cyprus? Well, in my 5 months here, it's been really great. I've been doing so much things. I've been learning so many new things at work and got to know a lot of new people. There's like new best friends that I will have contact with probably for the rest of my life. And it's gonna be super cool to tell you about this here in this video. So I can say that living here in Cyprus has been like the best time yet. I've been doing so much. Like before coming to Cyprus, I actually just started my YouTube channel, which we're celebrating over 100 subscribers actually. So actually that is really cool because I started just before coming out here just to see how it feels, and now I just knew what I wanted to do, so I had a good plan, which is the content you've seen here now these past 5 months. Really cool guys that you've been watching. So with that said, yes, I've had a wonderful time, and now we're gonna jump into another section of this video. So what did I actually do? Well, I was focusing so much on work and upping my gaming photography, especially for drone photography, but also now I'm gonna focus more on normal photography also, have that as an extra type of job, like more for a side hustle now to get some extra income. And I've been having the sickest gym program that I wrote myself, and it's been working wonders this whole summer. I feel great. It's been an amazing journey with working out again and having a routine and a schedule, and also I see everything in a journal, how much my weights are and how much I have upped my game since I started this summer, which is pretty cool. And also I've done so much other things. I've done some jobs for different firms and other stuff just to promote their footage and their tours and other things that is coming up that is pretty huge. So I've been doing so much this summer. It's amazing. And I've been working my off the whole time. I maybe have 1 day off in a week, and I'm working maybe from 9 in the morning until 11 in the night. So I'm basically working all the time, but I like having a lot of things to do. So people, don't worry, I do have my time off nowadays, because before I was working almost 7 days a week. Now on my day off, I actually have a day off. So I try to do everything else when I'm not having a day off, which is working so much better. I feel so much better and I get enough sleep. So that's a tip for you guys. Don't fall behind on your sleep schedule, because that's real bad. And actually, if you're working a lot, take the time off that you actually need sometimes, because it will help you tremendously. Because if you don't recover, you will feel real bad. What places did I visit here in Cyprus? Well, I've been visiting so many places. I've been at Paphos, where I were in the city, in a big mall for example, checking that out, really cool. Even bought my new selfie light that is really amazing for my videos right now. It helps out a lot, and to create other content on other platforms, for example on Instagram and TikTok. I'm everywhere guys. And also when I was in Paphos, I was visiting Adonis bath, the vlog I did. It's really cool. I love that video. I can watch it myself several times, and that's very strange, right? Well, I can link it up there just if you want to see how Adonis baths actually look like. Here in Ayia Napa itself, ooh, I've been doing so much actually, but my favorites has actually been going to the Blue Lagoon. I've been there several times now. I went on an ATV one day, just being at the coastline myself, which is pretty cool. I have a lot of footage from there, both photos and videos that I will put up both here I think, and actually also on my Instagram. So if you like photography, especially with drones and other stuff, check it out. It's Kevin Hilding at Instagram or TikTok. But enough of that. I went actually on a catamaran also several times. I think I've been there 5 times now. 5 times on the same catamaran. I just love it. It's really nice, so I can never get enough of it. It's actually also going to the Blue Lagoon, which is pretty cool. There's like free drinks, there's food, everything. So what can you do? You need to have some relax and day off and just enjoy a catamaran. Really nice. Where did I else go? I went to the water park one day. Actually, I haven't made a video. I'm sorry guys, I haven't made a video yet about the water park. I haven't been there since. And when I was there first time, I didn't really think about taking my video gear with me because I really just wanted to enjoy the park, you know? Not having to worry about my film gear the whole day. So, that will probably be another time if I come back to Cyprus again. But I was there, it was really cool. It's something you just have to do. If you come here to Cyprus, you have to visit the water park. It's really cool. It's amazingly big. One of the biggest one in Europe, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, something like that. It's really cool. Just check it out. It's pretty good price. Normal price is about 40 euro for a ticket. Oops, I hit my camera. Good price, as I said. And also, I went to Protaras, which was a really cool experience also. It's like just a long little town. Walking through it felt like 1 hour just walking through it, but though I did walk on the beach side, can be why, was really beautiful. Spent like so many hours just walking there, taking it chill, sitting by the rocks, and just having this like cliff experience. It's really cool. Then there was super nice restaurants to eat there. There was a place called, I mess this up every time, Hippopotamus, I think it's called that. Really cool place. They have like a tree growing inside of the restaurant. That is very unique and cool. So check out that place. What else? Oh yeah, I spent my holiday there in Protaras, as you may have seen. I were at the place called Kevinhilding. There is a video about that actually. I made a short little TikTok/short about this actually. So it's actually on my channel. I think I can link it up here. I will do that actually if I can. So that's mostly about some places I've been visiting and also some of the cool experiences I've had around the island. There's cool footage as I showed you here in my B-roll. So it's just wonderful to have experienced all this in just 5 months. I'm super happy that I've been here. It has helped me tremendously with both my mental and like growing as a person. It's been an amazing journey. So before I go into a Q&A, some questions that have been asked that I'm gonna answer right now. And if you like a Q&A, I will have more of these videos also. How maybe it is to be a tour guide or traveling questions. But to the topic, I've had so many new connections this year, which is super cool. I've met with so many like entrepreneurs and other people that had like big influence on the island, and it's been really cool to see all these people, work with them a little bit, and just getting to know them. Nothing else, just getting to know new people. It's not always about you have to get something out of another person or you want them to help you out. Sometimes you just have to give something, or sometimes you just want to have new connections. Just a mutual friend that becomes a closer friend, which is really cool. That has been a really cool journey. I met up with a photographer that came to my hotel. His name is Lenny. Really cool guy. You should check him out on Instagram also. I will link him down below. He and me, we had a photo shoot together. He rented an ATV, I came with. So we made like a photo project together. He had his stuff that he wanted to do, and I had my things I wanted to do. And together we just made something really cool. So that's just very nice to run out with this ATV for a day, and in the evening we had like this extremely nice sunset photos of the ATV and a nice church that we found up in like a mountainside up here close to Protaras. It was just an amazing view up there. There was this, we climbed up to like this cross that was on top of the mountain, and there was 2 benches you could sit on, so you can just imagine the view. We could see like all the way to Protaras and all the way to Ayia Napa from there, just seeing everything. We could almost like see the Troodos mountains from up there, which was just amazing. So now we go into the Q&A. So I have my trusty phone here with all the questions asked, and I will answer them very truthfully for you guys. So question number 1 that we have: what has been the best part / most unexpected? Okay, I don't really know like a best part. There's been so much things, but I would say like meeting all these new people and getting so close to new people and actually getting friends that I think will last for a long time. That was probably the most unexpected thing, because other seasons it's people I really connected with when I was there, but then when I go to a new destination or anything else, you basically lose out on this. Some of these people I'm really sure I will talk to in the future still and have good connections and meetups afterwards. So that's the unexpected, I think have been the best part. What would you wish you had known before coming to Cyprus? Well, what is that? I was thinking about this question yesterday actually, and I couldn't really find an answer of something I really should have known before. The only thing I was thinking like, oh yeah, that the pizza is 11 euro just for pizza. That's a warning sign right there. No, I don't actually really know yet. Give me a second. I think we have to return to this question another time. But the only thing I can actually think about, which is pretty silly, is that as a Swedish person, I did not know that I needed these adapters, because they don't have the same outlets as we have home in Sweden. So I have like a ton of these. There's like 10 of these in my room just to get everything connected that I have. So that's probably the biggest thing I wish I knew. So next question, what would you like to do if you were to return? Okay, I think work-wise, I would like to do more videos about subjects that I haven't covered yet for my YouTube channel and other social media. And also work-wise with my own jobs, I would like to engage more with my social media marketing business, and then also with my other job, my main job, actually maybe getting a team leader position or something better, just to feel like I'm getting somewhere, you know? I'm not the person that likes to just stamp on the same platform all the time. I want to increase my knowledge and become better and better all the time. That's probably why I'm doing so much things at the same time. That's my answer to that. Benefits of being here for 5 months. Okay, there's so many benefits actually, and I've covered a lot of them here in this video already, what I think is benefits, but I would surely say that it's a super benefit to have sun 365 days a year if you're making content, because it helps out a lot. People love to see sun, nice culture, beaches and everything, so it just helps from everything in perspective. It helps me personally in my health, because when it's winter time, like many people, they don't feel super well when they don't see sun basically at all. For myself, that's a really big benefit, and my creative mind and my working set has been like amazing being here for 5 months, so there's no regrets. I think that's the biggest benefit actually. So yeah, that's some of the questions for this time. If you have other questions that you want to see in a quick Q&A, well, hit me down below in the comment section and tell me if there is some specific question you want to have asked in a Q&A, or maybe we make a whole video about it, depending on what type of question it is. So I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you want to see more about travel, tourism, and also lifestyle and tech. This is me, Kevin, signing out for today, and I hope you have a great week and see you next time. Bye.